Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. Time to get rid of one of the old Buicks. It was a project car I was going to work on, and it's just not going to happen. So sometimes it's tough to say goodbye, but it's time. So we're just going to go along here. We're pumping the tires up now. We're going to fire her up, and we're going to get her loaded on the trailer. So come on along if you want. Oh, and the one thing that'll be fun that I forgot is it has no brakes. So we're going to try this with no brakes and see if we can do it without hitting anything. We'll set the camera up and you can watch the fun. Plus, we made sure that the steering wheel isn't quite bolted down to make it even more interesting. I gave this thing an initial fire up to see if it would start, and it did. It's been sitting here I don't know how long, but we'll take a picture of it while we fire it up here once we get ready. Not sure if I caught her not backing out of there. It was impressive. If I didn't, you won't see it. But it came back out of there. It was stuck with the brakes and stuff. So now we'll get the trailer in place and we'll work on loading this. The only bad thing about an equipment trailer, and what I didn't think about with the car, is the doors won't open because of those high fenders, and the windows won't go down. So we got to devise something else. Okay, we put her on as far as she wants to go. Brakes are sort of locking up, and I'm a little worried about that. So I guess next thing is we'll see if we can winch her on. Okay, let's see what happens. We'll put her in neutral. We already start to pull it. We got her hooked up. And just so you know, I pulled that on, and that is a 9,000 pound pull Harbor Freight winch. So not all Harbor Freight stuff is bad. So we got the old Buick all loaded up and ready to go. She's going to go for scrap, not too far from here. So this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. Bye.